Peter McGuire is also with us, Chief Market Strategist at FX Global Capital. Peter, great having you with us on Profit. Earlier, Stephen was talking about his outlook for developed market currencies. Let me get your perspective on the emerging market currencies for the current quarter. What kind of a momentum are you expecting for the so-called high-risk emerging market currencies, whether it's the Aussie dollar or the Indian rupee or some of the other ones? What's your sense?
Well, good morning, Ashal. Look, I think what you're going to see is a continuation of low interest rate environment. So that's not, I don't have to be that smart to really put that down. But the more important factor of that is, of course, you're going to see a sell-off of those particular currencies. I think the Aussie dollar will be probably at parity against the US dollar by Christmas, and that's only 2.5 months away. And you're also looking at the Indian rupee. I think you possibly may see a little bit of sell-off against the US dollar. Of course, you've got that election circus, which is well underway. We're only about 35 days out from that particular matter. So I think that the US dollar will strengthen in the short to medium term. Or we've also actually got the ongoing Spain issue, which certainly hasn't gone away.
Then let me get individual targets. Let's talk about the Indian rupee. What kind of a trend do you expect from the Indian rupee? Do you think if we do see a rate cut from the RBI on the 30th of this month, we might see some great action in the rupee? It's already strengthened quite a bit. What do you make of the current move?
Well, I think it's probably, taking into consideration those particular, decisions that will come out. But I think more importantly, you may see a little bit further movement to the upside, but I think that'll probably come under some pressure going into November. So, again, just keep a very close eye on where the US dollar's trending, and I think that's going to be the major push, because remembering with that once in a 4-year time frame, the election, we're only less than about a month out, and I think that you're going to see a general strengthening of the US economy over that period of time.
Any recommendations you want to give out? The advice going out to clients, recommended strategies right now?
Yeah, we're saying Aussie dollar as far as a weakening of the Aussie dollar, a strengthening. I think you're going to see a sell-off of the euro. I wouldn't be surprised to see 126, 127 against the US dollar in the short to medium term by month's end. Again, and I think I wouldn't be surprised also the yen to come under a bit of pressure. So keep a very close eye. And also from a precious metal standpoint, I think there's more upside for silver than gold in the short term, due to there's a golden cross formation, which is the 50-day moving average is now moved above the 200-day moving average, and I think you could see a little bit more upside for the silver market.
All right, Peter. Thank you so much for joining us there. Great to chat with you.